Welcome to our guide on 20 essential grammar rules. These tips will help you avoid common mistakes in English grammar. For more detailed rules, check out our other content. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. The basic positive sentence structure is subject, verb, object. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb. An object is optional. The subject and verb must agree in number. When two singular subjects are connected by, or, use a singular verb. Adjectives usually come before a noun. When using multiple adjectives, the usual order is opinion adjective plus fact adjective plus noun. Treat collective nouns as singular or plural depending on the context. The words its and its have different meanings. Similarly, your and their and there are different words with different meanings. Contractions like he's can mean he is or he has. Similarly, she's can mean she is or she has. John's can mean John is or John has. Spell proper nouns with an initial capital letter. Proper adjectives are made from proper nouns. Use the indefinite article a for countable nouns in general. Use the definite article the for specific countable nouns and all uncountable nouns. Use many or few with countable nouns. Use much or a lot for uncountable nouns. To show possession, use an apostrophe plus s for singular owners, and s plus apostrophe for plural owners. Use the active voice in preference to the passive voice. Active voice is clearer and more direct.